Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Galaxy Express Creations. I will draw something today. It will be a cat, but a robot. So I think the cat should have robotic body with little screen that has heart with some buttons and some things. And the cat has robotic legs with little shoes. And robotic hands and arm. I want the cat to be holding like a paintbrush, like a thick one. Now that looks like upside down candle. Or it could be either one yet, I don't know, because I didn't draw the details yet in it. And the other hand should be I think this hand should be holding a cupcake. With some star sprinkles, moon. I think this is a candle, because I don't know, it just looks like a candle more than a paintbrush. And the cat should be standing on like this little circle. The candle is lighting something, I guess, the night sky. And Saturn, and like big moon. I'm gonna paint the candle. And paint the moon. And I'm gonna draw a little heart and wrap up the drawing. Thank you for watching. Bye.